Hello everyone, my name is Robert Linhart and my presentation is Reducing Risk at In-N-Out Burger. My goal today is to help ensure everyone understands how to stay safe while working in a fast-paced restaurant environment. The introduction: this presentation will address the safety risks associated with working in a fast-paced restaurant environment such as In-N-Out Burger. It will explain common hazards and demonstrate how proper procedures, awareness, and communication can prevent accidents and injuries. This presentation is designed for all restaurant employees, including shift managers and new hires working in the kitchen, food preparation areas, and customer service. These roles experience the greatest exposure to hot surfaces, sharp tools, and constant movement, which means it is especially important to understand and practice safe habits. There are multiple common hazards in restaurant environments like In-N-Out. These include burns from hot grills, fryers, and equipment, slips and falls on wet or greasy floors, cuts from knives and other sharp tools, and muscle strains from lifting other or repetitive movements. And finally, the risk of spreading bacteria when surfaces are not cleaned properly. Each of these hazards can be prevented with training and awareness. These are also most frequently common violated standards that go against OSHA's approval, meaning people can face consequences for not enforcing them. Slips and falls are some of the most common workplace injuries. To prevent these incidents, employees must wear proper slip-resistant footwear at all times. It is also important to keep floors clean and dry, wipe up spills immediately, and use floor mats in areas where grease or water tends to collect. These small actions make a big difference in preventing injuries. As you can see, slips and falls are the most common compared to all these other injuries. To prevent cuts and burns, always use cut-resistant gloves when handling sharp tools, and keep knives properly stored when not in use. Be aware of your surroundings when working near hot equipment, and never leave cooking appliance unattended. Taking a moment to double-check your workspace can prevent serious injuries. And you can see on the left image, you can see the don'ts. You never want to take apart your knife. You don't want to break your knife. You don't want to cut towards yourself. You want to cut away. And then on the right side, you can see the proper knife safety. Muscle strain is another avoidable hazard when lifting heavy items such as boxes or equipment. Bend your knees and lift with your legs, not your back. If something is too heavy, ask for help. Additionally, taking short breaks and switching tasks when possible can reduce the impact of repetitive movements. As you can see on the picture, this is how you lift properly. You never want to use your back, always your legs. Sanitation is essential to both safety and food quality. All surfaces must be sanitized after use, and the food prep areas should always be kept clean and dry. Wash hands frequently, especially after handling raw foods. Proper storage procedures, including temperature control, can also reduce the spread of harmful bacteria. Safety is a team effort. Communicate with your coworkers about hazards and report any broken, malfunctioning equipment to management immediately. Support new employees as they learn safety procedures and help maintain a culture where everyone looks out for one another. Teamwork is crucial in a workplace environment. For my conclusion, restaurant work involves several risks that could negatively affect any business, especially if it involves someone getting hurt. There are solutions to these problems through proper training, equipment maintenance, sanitation, and teamwork. Everyone can be safe. By practicing safety habits every day, employees can greatly reduce injuries and create a healthier workplace. And then these are my cited sources.